Hey everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme, and today I'll show you how you can install and activate dynamic discount for WooCommerce. Dynamic discount for WooCommerce is a special plugin that can help you with smart discounts and promotional rules, such as offering buy one get one deals, discounts based on cart total, discounts based on different categories, or offering discounts depending on what products are in the cart, and many more. All right. Having more control over what you offer or what discounts you make is important when you want to run campaigns during special occasions or during different seasons, because that's the time you want to make more profit out of the products based on number of products sold. For example, if you have a clothing store, then during the summer you'd want to have special discounts on products that are considered as summer outfits, like maybe offering a special discounts on those categories only. All right. Or let's say if you sell a lot of different types of products in your shop and candies are one of them, then during Halloween's you'd want some special discounts, such as more discounts on higher number of quantities of candies. All right. Or you can offer BOGO deals on candy packages, right? So those are the sort of things you want to have control of if you want to have seasonal campaigns or campaigns for special occasions. That's where dynamic discount comes in. All right, this plugin will help you set those up in your store and you'll be in full control. And today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate this plugin in your WooCommerce shop. So when you purchase the plugin, all right, you're prompted to create an account during checkout in Rex Theme, right? You can purchase this plugin individually in Rex Theme, or you can get the value for money sale kit bundle, where you get a lot of other WooCommerce products, including this one, to help you increase your WooCommerce sales. So you can check those out. I have the link in the description. But once you purchase the plugin, all right, you can go to Rex Theme and then log into your account. I've already logged in, so I'm clicking on my account, and this is what you will see, your order details, right? To download the plugin file, you go to downloads, and here look for the plugin, and the download file will be on the right side. Now, if you just purchase this particular plugin, then only that one will be listed here. But I have all the plugins in my account, which is why you can see I have so many plugins. For dynamic discount, you can see this is the one I should be downloading, dynamic discounts. So I'll just click on this one and it will download the plugin. Once you've downloaded the plugin, now it's time to install it on your site. So first go to your website dashboard and then go to plugins and click on add plugin. Now remember that before you install and activate this plugin, make sure you have WooCommerce set up on your site, because this plugin is specifically built for WooCommerce stores. All right. So I would recommend you already want to use it in your existing site, so you can test it out in a staging environment of your existing site where you already have WooCommerce and products, right? So once you're in this page, click on upload plugin, and then you need to upload it here. So I have it in the folder open where I downloaded it, and I'm going to just drag and drop it here, and then click on install now. And then click on activate plugin, and my plugin will be activated now. All right. So once this is activated, you'll see that this plugin will be listed under WooCommerce just below the orders called dynamic discounts. All right. And this will take you through an easy setup wizard. All right. So you can see it just talks about the plugin and then gives you a guide. You can watch this video to understand how the plugin works, or you can check out the guides we have, and then let's click on next. And here you can see that initially, if you didn't have WooCommerce, our setup wizard would already prompt you to install that, because this is necessary, right? And then you have the option to activate the license. All right. So to get the license key, again, you have to go back to your account, and here click on license key, and your license will be listed here based on the products you have. So if I scroll down, this is dynamic discount, and this is the license for this. So for your case, you need to look for your plugin name, and then the license will be listed below it. So just copy this and go to the setup wizard and paste it here, and click on activate license, and the license is activated. So once this is done, you click on next, and you're ready. So let's create your discount. You click on this, it'll take you into the plugin, and you can start creating your discount rules within dynamic discounts. All right. So this plugin is really helpful. Go ahead and get this plugin and get it installed and activated. I'll be seeing you in more videos showing you how you can work around with this plugin for different tactics. All right. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care.